Managing a growing space in Wrike can sometimes be challenging, but now you can oversee all of your space settings in a unified, comprehensive bird's-eye view. All of the space's custom item types, custom fields, workflows, and other configurations are here. Use grouping and sorting for better visibility. Wondering how your team interacts with Wrike and which processes are popular? Trace usage data to easily uncover exactly how often a configuration is used, when it was last active, and by whom. Toggle off unused configurations to declutter your workspace. This allows for better selection, reporting, and navigation, reducing errors in overall day-to-day operations. Apply filters. Quickly search by name. And use mass actions to manage multiple items at once. You can now reuse the exact same configuration elements, like custom fields, across multiple spaces without making unnecessary copies. And this effortless governance doesn't stop at the space level. Account admins transition seamlessly to the account level, featuring this exact same table-powered, unified look. Review activity metrics across spaces. Check out deactivation suggestions to clean up your workspace. You can reactivate items anytime. Oversee and manage all configurations across your account. Download your configuration list for further reporting. Take control of your workspace with Wrike's self-service governance tool. Save time on admin maintenance and keep your Wrike account perfectly healthy.